Hello, my name is Victor from Crewe and I am delighted to present this Audi Q3 2.0 TFSI S-Line Edition S Tronic quattro, finished in sleek black and powered by 2-liter petrol engine, delivering 180 PS and paired with smooth automatic transmission and quattro all-wheel drive. The Q3 offers confident handling, great rear-round grip and everyday practicality. The front end is defined by all-weather LED headlights, S-Line body styling and high-gloss black S-Line grille, as well as 18-inch 5 twin-spoke alloy wheels, which complete the look with refined touch. At the back, the Q3 features sleek LED taillights with dynamic indicators, body-colored rear spoiler and subtle chrome-trimmed exhaust tips, all brought together by power tailgate for everyday convenience. With reversible floor and split folding rear seats, the boot offers excellent flexibility whether you're loading suitcases, shopping or sports gear. Rear passengers benefit from generous headroom, ISOFIX mounts for child seats and ambient LED lighting that creates a relaxed atmosphere. The bold quality and attention to detail throughout the rear cabin reflects Audi's premium touch. Up-front 4-way electric lumbar support and height-adjustable driver's seat provide excellent comfort on longer journeys. S-Line inlays and brushed aluminum trims enhance the sophisticated design, and the 3-spoke multifunction Q-design steering wheel with paddle shifters brings all the essentials within reach. The driver's information display behind offers clear trip and efficiency data on a crisp 6.5-inch color display. The dual-zone electronic climate control system allows driver and passenger to set their ideal temperatures separately, ideal for those warm summer months. Infotainment system comes with a concert radio with DAB for high-quality sound and media control, as well as integrated Bluetooth for safe hands-free calls, satellite navigation via SD card for intuitive route guidance, and Audi Drive Select, allowing you to adjust steering, throttle and transmission response to match your driving style. Driver Info offers access to driving stats and settings through the central display and the touch screen. This has been a presentation of the Audi Q3 2.0 TFSI S-Line Edition S Tronic. For more information, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.